Welcome everyone. My name is Maciej, and I'm a co-founder of the NFT Marketplace. And today I will talk about the NFT metadata and why we need the proper solution based on the Arweave's permanent storage. The PermaFrost is a thin protocol layer on top of the Arweave with a focus on the developer experience to drive more NFT metadata on the Arweave. Like the batteries included and a handful of endpoints for faster implementation of NFT marketplaces on top of the Arweave. What are the current problems with the NFT metadata? Most of the NFT metadata is stored on the IPFS or even centralized servers, and none of these solutions offers permanent storage. In general, it means that whenever the servers goes down or your credit card pinata expires, you will not see the images anymore. And when you try to host IPFS service by yourself, it only adds overhead to your developer process. Either way, you can have a fragile infrastructure or super high bill for the IPFS for pinning your metadata on each continent. We know this firsthand since we struggled with this for our own NFT marketplace. Imagine getting an NFT worth like 100 ETH, and in next week you realize that NFT is not there anymore, just empty on-chain hash or link pointing to nowhere. What a pity. So as a responsible NFT platform, you end up thinking about storing everything on the Arweave. But once you arrive there, you might be scratching your head on how to implement the Arweave correctly to store and read metadata on your NFT marketplace. You can use IPFS to Arweave, a simple solution. We did ourselves, but then when we realized that it won't be sponsored by Arweave forever, thus us having sustainable integration would be more than welcome. This is why we build the PermaFrost. With the PermaFrost, we are targeting a critical part of the developer experience on the Arweave, which takes it to the next level. We store metadata on their behalf with the simple data points, adding read endpoints, search options for deep integration of the marketplaces. Out of box, you can fetch the what copyright your NFT has. On top of it, we are looking forward to the integrating native web assets like through the Verto and exchanging them for you. So for users, you just need to pay with their native assets. Now, Victor, from here you will show how the permafrost works.
Yeah, thanks, Matej, for an awesome intro. And we know that showing is always better than telling. So let's watch a short demo. So as you see on the screen, here I have the NFT gallery, and we're gonna mint the permafrost logo directly on the array. So all I need to choose is the image, some name, symbol, description, and I also add some text like NFT, so it could be searchable right from the array. And yeah, now let's mint it. And as you can see, permafrost gateway is super fast. It's already pinned, and we're just waiting for the finalization of the Kusama network. Yeah, and what's really good about using permafrost that as a response from the permafrost gateway, we'll get a nicely formatted JSON, fully compliant with metadata with the OpenSea metadata standard. And yeah, as a result, we'll see that we minted our NFT on the Kusama directly using permafrost with anything. So there are three operations on the permafrost gateway. First is reading, and it will be a massive amount of reading requests for the permafrost gateway. Then gateway has to use a metadata storage, and then there will be a lot of surge operations, which will be regular but light for the infrastructure. And for these operations, anyone who will run permafrost will be rewarded in profit sharing tokens. So what's our plan? First of all, in upcoming weeks, we will have user testing. So first testers will give us proper feedback, what could be done better. We already have requests for implementing RE folders, so mass minting. Then we will develop SDK for developers, which will be later used for the hackathon. And then we'll, as Maciej said, implement the Verto so users can pay with anything, like literally anything, ETH or Kusama. And who we are? We are co-founders of Codedot, the open source NFT explorer on Kusama network, and we are currently using IPFS and RE to store metadata. And both of us are coming from the technical background, so we know the pain when developers has to deal with badly written code. To sum it up, using permafrost NFT galleries can save a lot of JPEGs bundled in the bundled with the metadata permanently using Arweave. And using profit sharing community, we can make this sustainable. And one little thing, we'll be minting PermaFrost NFTs for attendees of this Airy demo. So yeah, come to our booth and take it while it lasts. And of course, don't forget to follow us on Twitter. Thank you.